Welcome back, friends. We will see the subject manufacturing process. In this, we are studying the topic injection molding, over weld links or knight lines, inability to melt front to clip together in a homogeneous fashion process during the molding process, resulting in weak areas in the part of varying severity. Overwhelds lines problems. Material too cold, injection speed too slow, entrapment of air at weld line, improper mold design, contamination is poorly dispersed pigments, core shifting, mold temperature too low, injection speed too slow, melt stock temperature too low, injection pressure too low, insufficient mold venting, cylinder temperature too low, injection back pressure too low, nozzle diameter too small, excessive screw flights in the metering zone, improper gate location and or size, distance from gate excessive, insufficient or ineffective flow pattern, mold release agent, brittle weld lines, inadequate flow, voids, bubbles, and unfilled space of such size that is scattered radiant energy such as light. Void problems, injection pressure too low, packing time too short, insufficient field of material, mold temperatures too low, injection speed too high, excessive cushion at the side of the rib too thick, runner or gate too small or badly positioned, delamination, skinning, surface of the finished parts separates or appears to be composed of layer of solidified resin strata or fish scale shape type appearance where the layers may be separated. Delamination problems, contamination of resins by additives or other foreign materials, resins temperature too low, non-formality or non-uniformity of resins temperature, wrong mold temperature, excessive material moisture, and inadequate injection speed, sharp corners at gate, incompatible polymers, flow lines and floats, mark visible on the finished atoms that indicates the direction of flow in cavity, flow lines and fold problems, stock temperature too low, runners too small, improper gate size or location, mold temperature too low, inadequate cold slug well, excessive warpage shrinkage, excessive dimensional charge change in the part after processing or excessive decrease in dimension in the part through cooling, wrinkage or warpage shrinkage problems, mold closed time too short, insufficient or inefficient injection forward time, gram speed too high or too low, injection of holding pressure too high or low, melt temperature inadequate, excessive nozzle and metering zone temperatures, mold temperature too high for thick wall sections, parts cool unevenly, part underpacked, improper gate location, gate too restrictive, unequal temperature between mold hulls, non-uniform part injection, parts mishandled, after injection, unbalanced gates on multiple gated parts, too many stresses in parts, particles in the surface of an opaque part and visible throughout a transparent part. Black specks problems, contamination of material, holdup of molten resin, molding machine or mold runner system. Trace contamination, local overheating in the injection cylinder, defective closure of the nozzle, oxidation by occluded air in the inadequate air venting. Mold contains grease, trapped airs, insufficient injection speed, brittleness, tendency of the molded part to break, crack, shatter, etc. under conditions which it would not normally do so. Brittleness problems, mold temperature too high, inadequate cooling in gate section of atom too thin, grade brittleness, resin too cold, non-uniformity of resin temperature, undried material, contamination, poor part design, material degradation, non-compatible mold release, the mold, packing the mold, melt temperature too cold, excessive amount of regrid.